Good morning. I am SriKumar, student of Computer Science Engineering in Voxen University, Hyderabad. I would like to tell you about the CAD designing competition I participated a few days ago. As you can see here, for my CAD competition, I made a Bluetooth spectacles. These are the components of the spectacles that I made. The components are the front frame, the side frame, the lenses, earphones, and the wire. How were these components made? As the three pictures which you can see below, I took those three pictures as reference and formed a 3D model of it. Then using the offset tool, I made the lenses, and using the form tool, I made the earphones and joined them together to make the final model. To make this model, I used Fusion 360 software. As you can see here, the following tools: Create Form tool, Extrude tool, Sweep tool, Offset tool, Join tool, Mirror tool, Split body tool, and Thicken tool are the following tools I used to make this model. This is a video of how I made the model. By participating in this competition, I learned many important things about modeling, and this to even plan a startup. I am immensely grateful to Voxen University for giving me this opportunity as well showcase my talent. Thank you.